Want your object to blink twice without cluttering your project with variables and triggers? Check this out. One trigger, one tiny JavaScript trick, and boom, double blink effect. This code makes any object blink twice with the color of your choice, fast and with zero wait time and no messy triggers. Here's how to use it in ArticulateStoryline. Step 1. Right-click your object on the timeline and check its accessibility name. It should match the timeline name. If it doesn't, go to the Home tab, Focus Order, find your object and rename it to match the timeline. Step 2. Copy the JavaScript from the description. Yup, it's there. And paste it into a storyline trigger. Customize the code in 2 spots. Change the object's name to your object's name. It's labeled here clearly in the code. Change the blink color to what you like, also marked here for you. And that's it. No delays, no headaches, just clean, instant, double blinks. If this saved your sanity, hit and share it with your fellow instructional designers.